Dear Chairman, dear colleagues, today I'm going to present an in vitro study about evaluation of microleakage of composite resin, glass ionomer, and heat-applied glass ionomer materials in Class II restorations. The aim of this in vitro study was comparing the microleakage of composite resin restoration with heat-applied and non-heat-applied conventional glass ionomer and high-viscosity glass ionomer cements in Class II restorations which were made in permanent and primary teeth. For evaluation of microleakage, 57 permanent, 82 primary teeth were selected. Class II cavities were prepared using standard burrs. Teeth were randomly divided into 5 groups. Group 1 was applied composite resin. Group 2 and 3 was applied conventional glass ionomer cements. Group 4 and 5 was applied high viscosity glass ionomer cements. While Group 2 and 4 was applied heat in high power mode with D-Light Pro LED light device. Group 3 and 5 was stayed as non-heat applied group. Samples were aged under thermal cycling. The specimens were stored in distilled water for 24 hours and were immersed in 1000% basic fusion solution for 24 hours. 2 mm sections consisting of occlusal gingival middle trio of tooth were taken with a precision cutting device and bilateral diamond disc under water cooling from the teeth. Microleakage were performed under stereo microscope at 40 times magnified. SPSS software were used for statistical analysis. The high viscosity glass ionomer group showed the lowest microleakage amounts among the 5 groups, but there were no significant differences in the mean of microleakage values between heat-applied and non-heat-applied samples in both glass ionomer materials. Recent studies have shown that heat-applied high-viscosity glass ionomer cements restorations reduced microleakage, increased marginal adaptation, and increased adhesion to enamel. As a result of the literature review, it was observed that high-viscosity glass ionomer cements in Class II cavities failed compared to composite resins in long-term clinical studies. It was stated that these failures were caused by mechanical insufficiencies of material. The study showed that heat application allows for less microleakage when compared to non-heat applied group and composite resin restorations. It has been observed that heat application supports the potential to increase clinical success of high viscosity glass ionomer cements in Class II restorations, but further studies are needed to evaluate the clinical applicability of the data obtained. Thank you for listening to me.